Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your USDA Connect HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your USDA Connect HR's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in USDA Connect HR login and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. From the search results, click on login link shown on the page. The official page of USDA Connect HR's account will appear on the screen. Tap on Login with User ID and Password option. On the next page, enter your user ID and password associated with your USDA Connect HR's account and tap on Login. Tick mark on the box that says Show Password to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your user ID or password, click on Forgot User ID or Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your USDA Connect HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.